that having a small aim is a crime. Don't we all agree to this? We can't afford to have a small aim. We are all proud Indians. And when we talk about the beauty of our country, the strength of our country, it is you all. Each one of us in this auspicious auditorium, each one of us have the potential to contribute towards our country's growth and progress. Friends, I'm sure you must have all read some data statistics as part of your curriculum or as part of your interest, wherein we hear that India is the youngest country in the world. So what do we mean by youngest country? We have that positive demographic dividend, the positive demographic dividend, the age group 15 to 45 years of age. Our population is more than 60%. So you are the future leaders, and upon your way of thinking, about your orientation, how you imagine yourself, how you visualize yourself, on that same way the country will progress. I would also mention briefly, very briefly, about my own life journey till now. Even though in my bio introduction it has been very explicitly, very lucidly and very generously mentioned about all maybe my work experience, my achievements. So friends, I also belong to one of you. I am also amongst one of you. But I was not, as a student, I was not passionate about being in civil services, at least till my school time. And it was much later, when I was almost at the brink of entering into the corporate professional career, that I read about civil services. 20 years back, 2003, when I was doing my graduation from Shriram College of Commerce, I was in my third year, and I was also doing CS, Company Secretary course. At that time, doing CS along with graduation was allowed. So I read about civil services, and somehow it gave a kick to me from inside that yes, I should be here. It will give me an opportunity to contribute towards my country, to do something good for my people. But then when I discussed this with my family, my parents, there were a total no. Initially, there was a total no. Why this shift required at this point? क्यों जाना है civil services में? So my family is a native of Panipat district, and my father is a chartered accountant, and Papa had set up his practice after a lot of struggles in Delhi. So due to that reason, my education had been entirely in Delhi. बट 20 साल पहले की बात मैं आपसे कर रही हूँ कि जब मैंने ये बात फैमिली में डिस्कस करी तो किसी को समझ नहीं आया कि ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ये थॉट कैसे आया. आई हैड बीन इन अ बिजनेस क्लास फैमिली एक्सेप्ट माय फादर. एवरीबडी हैड अ बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड, all our relatives. So why this shift? And more so, civil services में selection is not short. How many years you will study? Even after investing 2, 3, 4 years, there is no guarantee. And even after you are selected, which service you will get, what rank you will get, which cadre you will get, and how will you settle your family life? More so being a female. एक लड़की होने के नाते ये सारे challenges तुम कैसे फेस करोगी, और तुम्हें हम एज पेरेंट्स कैसे इन सब चीजों में डालें. So 5-6 months debate discussion, and then when I was not budging, then my parents said, okay, if you have to do, if it is you feel that you should try, then you try, we will not stop you. But my father suggested very clearly one thing, that you should have a plan B in your life. What is plan B? Plan B does not mean कि आप जो एम कर रहे हो उसमें सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगे. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम जो चीज विजुअलाइज कर रहे हैं आगे 3 साल में, 5 साल में अगर हम उस मकाम तक नहीं पहुंच पाए, तो हमारे लाइफ का जो एम है, हमारा जो विजन है, उसको प्राप्त करने के लिए हम और क्या कर सकते हैं? वॉट इज इट दैट वी कैन फर्दर डू? सो माई प्लान बी देन बिकेम कि अगर मैं सिविल सर्विसेज में मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा, तो मेरा जो इंटेंशन है देश के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करने का, उसके लिए मैं फ्यूचर में अपना कोई एनजीओ या सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेटअप करूंगी, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली वर्क एज अ कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफेशनल एज अ फाइनेंशियल बैकअप. सो दैट वाज माय प्लान बी. सो कंसिडरिंग दैट मेरा ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो गया, देन आई took admission into law from Delhi University in 2004. In 2004, my CS was also complete. And it was in 2004 I actually started preparing for civil services. And being a commerce student, frankly, मुझे बहुत सारी difficulties face करनी पड़ी. I was totally out of touch with general studies, civics, history, polity, geography, international relations, current affairs. मुझे newspaper reading की भी आदत नहीं थी. कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स का ओरिएंटेशन शायद थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो जाता है. सो फ्रॉम 2004 to 2007, these three things were parallel in my life. My focus was entirely on civil services preparation. I was also doing my law, which was a regular course, and I had also taken up a part-time job as a company secretary, because I thought that two things, that I should finance my higher studies, if not fully, to an extent, and I should also gain some experience, practical experience of working. So तीनों चीजें पैरेलल चली. Lot of issues of time management, focus, socially restricting yourself, being selfish about your time. And I appeared in my first attempt in 2006. I wrote prelims, I wrote mains, but I did not get an interview call. डेफिनेटली आई वॉज वेरी मच डिमोटिवेटेड, डिजेक्टेड. ये मेरा खुद का डिसीजन था जो मैंने सबसे स्वेस्ट से लड़के लिया था. मेरा को खुद का कमिटमेंट था, किसी ने मुझे कहा नहीं था. एंड नाउ व्हाट डू आई डू? सो आई वेंट इनटू काइंड ऑफ अ डिप्रेशन फॉर सम टाइम, बट देन slowly I reflected upon where I went wrong. मैं क्यों नहीं वहां तक पहुंच पाई, क्या इम्प्रूव करना होगा. एंड देन आई कुड लोकेट माई वीक एरियाज वेयर आई नीडेड इम्प्रूवमेंट. सो देन आई रिकलेक्टेड माई ऑल स्ट्रेंथ, एनर्जी, एंथुसियाज्म, एंड आई गेव अ कमिटमेंट टू माई सेल्फ कि अब जो मेरा अटेम्प्ट होगा, नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट होगा, दैट शुड बी माई बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट, एंड आई शुड नॉट हैव एनी रिपेंटेंस इन फ्यूचर कि मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया. सो आई रोट दी एग्जाम्स अगेन. मीनवाइल लॉ भी चल रही थी, उसके भी एग्जाम्स देने होते थे. इट वॉज अ रेगुलर कोर्स, अटेंडिंग क्लासेस, जॉब, एंड जो आज हम टर्म कोविड के बाद से सुन रहे हैं, क्वारंटीन. आई वॉज एक्चुअली इन माई सेल्फ क्वारंटीन लाइफ. घर में रिलेटिव्स आते थे, मैं सिर्फ नमस्ते करके अपने रूम में वापस आ जाती थी. एंड इट कंटिन्यूड फॉर मोर देन 2 years. So, there were taunts, criticisms indirectly to my parents. मेरी एक elder sister है, she was at that time doing CA. तो दीदी का भी ऐसे स्टडी पैटर्न रहता था, because that also is a very hard course. She also had her exams. तो हम नहीं जाते थे, कजन्स की वेडिंग हुई, नहीं जा पाए, टाइम नहीं था. My priorities were different. So people used to also criticize to my parents कि बेटी लड़कियों की ग्रेजुएशन हो गई है, अब इनको इतना क्यों पढ़ाना है, इनकी शादी कर देनी चाहिए. So my father used to say कि education is something, is the least thing which we can give to our children, irrespective whether they are male or female. And ये मैं अपनी बेटियों को जरूर दूंगा, इसके आगे इनको क्या करना है ये खुद डिसाइड करेंगी. So when he used to have that much of commitment, that kind of a faith and trust, so it added the responsibility on all of us. I have a younger brother also. He is also a CA now. So जब मेरा रिजल्ट आया तो I got selected. I got All India rank 13th in my batch. It was 12th May 2008 that our results were announced. And जिन रिलेटिव्स ने, जिन्होंने पहले कभी क्रिटिसाइज किया होगा इनडायरेक्टली डायरेक्टली, सो ऑल ऑफ देम कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड, कॉल्ड अप टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट माई पेरेंट्स कि बच्ची तो बहुत होनहार है और उसका सिलेक्शन तो होना ही था, हमें पता है, हमें पता था कि होगा. So you know friends, why I'm sharing this journey is that आपने जितनी भी सक्सेस स्टोरीज पढ़ी, देखी, सुनी, वो कहीं बाहर से नहीं आते हैं. एवरीवन, किसी की भी आप जर्नी की बात करें, सो दे आर ऑल फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू, हम में से ही हैं. एंड किसी की भी सक्सेस बहुत ओवरनाइट नहीं मिली. आफ्टर आई जॉइंड सर्विस, आई गॉट त्रिपुरा कैडर. आई वर्कड इन त्रिपुरा for 8 years initially. I worked in tribal areas. ऐसी एरियाज में भी मैं गई जहाँ पे हमें ऑन फुट जाना पड़ता था बिकॉज देयर वर हैबिटेशंस विच वर नॉट कनेक्टेड थ्रू रोड्स. मोटरेबल रोड उस टाइम में नहीं थी. 2010 में मेरा पहला पोस्टिंग हुआ था इंडिपेंडेंट, और वहाँ पे ट्राइबल एरियाज में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था जाना, लोगों से मिलना. वी यूज्ड टू हैव नाइट कैंप्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कैंप्स. Then I moved to Haryana. I worked even, I was posted as Deputy Commissioner Jhajjar in 2017-18, very neighboring to Rohtak. So ये जो 15 साल का मेरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपीरियंस है फ्रेंड्स, मुझे बहुत सारी ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली कि मैं लोगों के लिए, देश के लिए कर पाऊँ कुछ. बहुत चीजें मन में है जो नहीं कर पाएगा, अभी भी नहीं कर पाएगा. एंड आई रियली फील ऑनर्ड टू बी अमंग्स ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड आई जस्ट, whenever we are talking friends about public speaking, personality development, these are very, very important. Now I want to make it interactive and I want to ask any one of you, कोई भी मुझे response यहाँ से आप में से चाहिए कि 2 things. Why is public speaking important? I'll ask one question this and I'll ask also the other question. कि आपके मन में कोई भी इफेक्टिव पब्लिक स्पीकर, कोई अच्छे पब्लिक स्पीकर का नाम अगर आप अपने जहन में लें तो किसका नाम आएगा? सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल इज, व्हाई इज पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इंपॉर्टेंट? पब्लिक स्पीकिंग क्यों जरूरी है? पब्लिक स्पीकिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज एक्चुअली पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, या क्यों जरूरी है? व्हाई इज इट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी शुड बी गुड व्हेन वी आर कम्युनिकेटिंग? एनी रिस्पॉन्स? एनी स्टूडेंट? Yes, and it would be nice if they can get some handheld mic so that others can also listen to the responses. Yes, please, your name? Tamanna, yes. You are doing which course, Tamanna? Okay, right. So why is public speaking important?
Many of us, we don't know about things around us. When we interact with the people who know, and they share their views to the society, then the people who do not get knowledge, or many of us.
Okay, so Tamanna basically wants to communicate. She wants to say that there are many things around us which we are not aware of. And when we communicate, we are actually sharing knowledge and sharing information, right? We all agree to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? That communication is very effective tool for sharing, exchanging knowledge and ideas. Thank you, Tamanna, for that. Any other response? Why is public speaking important? Why is public speaking important? Yes. Somebody can help her with the mic, please. Any volunteer?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Muskan and I'm from Lord. So my thoughts about public speaking is give a clearance to your thoughts in your mind. When you speak, you have a very clear idea of what are you thinking, and it boosts your confidence.
So basically, public speaking is important because you are able to express,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And the way you are thinking and the way your orientation is, you communicate in that manner. So basically, it is an effective tool for communication.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Muskan. Thank you for that response. Any other response?
Ma'am, I want some tips over to increase my communication skills.
So that I'll try to cover when I move further. I'll definitely try to cover.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other response? Any mail? Are they all sleeping or finding it boring? Or we should assume that women are more, females are more vocal, and that is good.